Hi friends! Welcome to another embroidery tutorial of Minute Maid Needle Craft. In this tutorial, we'll learn a basic embroidery stitch called stem stitch. It's commonly used for outlining shapes and creating stems in floral designs. So without waiting further, let's start stitching. Start by bringing the threaded needle up from the back of the fabric along the line you want to stitch. Insert the needle back down into the fabric a short distance away from the starting point. Now, instead of pulling the thread all the way through, leave a small loop of thread on the surface of the fabric. Bring the needle up again, but this time from inside the loop you've just created. Gently pull the thread through while keeping the loop intact. This creates the characteristic twisted effect of the stem stitch. Repeat these steps, making sure to pass the needle up and down along the same imaginary line, creating a continuous twisted line. Continue stitching until you've completed the desired line or shape. The length of your stitches depends on your design, but for a traditional look, make them about the same length as the space between your two stitch points. Now let's embroider an outline of a rose flower using this stem stitch technique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting!